What's up, guys? Welcome back to Let's Level Up, another SketchUp tutorial to help you through your day. I'm so glad you joined us because today we are looking at the offset tool and what it has to offer. So let's dive right in. So the offset tool is quite a simple tool and it's going to form part of your main drawing processes as you go through building in SketchUp, which are like most of your standard icons in the top that we have already been through. Guys, if you haven't checked out those videos yet, pop onto my channel, look for the playlist that says tutorials, and go fill yourself in. But back to the topic at hand. I'm going to just create a nice simple shape, something creative. And what you can do is type F as a shortcut to get to the offset tool, or you can go up to the toolbar and find the icon that looks like so and click it. What's going to happen is the cursor is going to highlight with a little red dot, which means it is selected an edge to offset. Now you click and drag. You can drag outwards or inwards, whichever way you feel or is necessary for building your model. What we're going to do today is offset on an increment. I'm going to say 300 mils, and there's your offset, as easy as that. Now, if you wanted to carry on offsetting at this specific set increment, you could hover over the line, it will highlight blue, double click, and it'll offset that at the same increment as per your last command. And you can keep going all the way through. For this, what I'm going to do is drag up and do another offset process to show you how easy it is to offset. Let's go inwards, drag up, offset outwards, drag up, and we've created a sort of a hexagonal bolt shape. And that's really as simple as offset is. Now, like I said, there's going to be a bunch of various ways you can use it, creating windows, offsetting walls, and so on. But we can dive into that in a more in-depth tutorial at a later stage. To sidetrack, if you're not sure about what a tool can do, basically in the bottom left-hand corner, it gives you a description of the things that the tool can do. So if I had to click move, you'll see it says control does something, alt does something, arrow keys do something. But for offset, we've got one that says alt. If we click alt, this allows you to overlap your offset as shown on the screen. Now, I'm not too sure personally what this would be used for right now, but I'm sure we can cover it in another video. Guys, that is the offset tool. I hope you enjoyed and found it informative. Please go like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.